Stang Lane, date is Sunday the 14th, 1:45. Just a short one today. Heading towards Langthwaite, Arkengarthdale. So yeah, it's almost like a winter wonderland up here. Beautiful Arkengarthdale. So yeah, it's just quite nice. Chilly. Over the tops of Arkengarthdale. Absolutely stunning. Framington Edge over there and Reeth over yonder. You probably can't see it on the GoPro, but trust me, it's absolutely stunning. Snow's a nice touch actually, I wasn't expecting it. Just gives it that little icing of winter. Descending now down to heading towards Langthwaite. There's a lovely little pub called the Red Lion. So the old lady there is an absolute legend. She's just like always open. Mind you, it shuts at 3 o'clock. Reopens at 7. But she was in the paper not long back and she was like, oh yeah, I'm going to keep on going till I die. So she's in it for the long run. You alright? It's lovely, isn't it? Nice bit of snow as well. Here we are in Langthwaite. Interesting fact: a lot of the scenes from All Creatures Great and Small were filmed around here in this little village. So fingers crossed, the pub's open. It said on Google it's open till 3, but you never know. Looks open to me. The Red Lion, the famous Red Lion Inn. Red Lion pub. Trying out the Black Sheep IPA. It's very nice. Langthwaite Church there with the old war graves. And we're just gonna walk back on the road up Stang Lane because I washed Sarah's boots last night. It was like totally caked in mud and a bit wet in the boots, so she's only got summer boots. So I'm going to try and keep them dry. So it's only like a mile and a half back to the car. Oh man, this is a killer. Just coming up Stang Lane. It's just a laborious trudge uphill. Nice views though. Bit of a sunset going on. So yeah, we're not far from the car now. And that concludes the walk. Been alright.